To our dear guests, fellow administrators, students, my Bicol University family, a pleasant morning and a joyful start to our celebration of the 56th Charter Day of our beloved Bicol University. Today, we gather not only to celebrate another year in the life of our beloved institution, but to honor the visionaries who dared to dream of a university that would serve as a beacon of knowledge and service in the Bicol region. Thus, on June 21st, 1969, 56 years to this day, Bicol University was founded through Republic Act 5521 and was formally organized on September 22, 1970. Our beloved Bicol University was born from the integration of 6 educational institutions, unified to form the first state university in the region. For this bold move, we can never be more grateful enough to the three visionary leaders, Senator Dominador Aitona, Congressman Carlos Imperial, and Congressman Jose Alberto, our founding fathers whose legacy we honor today. We look back with profound thankfulness to our university's first president, Attorney Ricardo Arcilla, the pioneer who took the helm during a time of great transition and challenge. Under his leadership, our Bicol University began to take shape as a sanctuary of scholarship and a training camp for professionals and a social service orientation. From our early days, our Bicol University was more than just a school. It was a movement towards empowerment, equity, and excellence. Indeed, great things happen with great minds, with good intentions, and with sincere hearts come together. Today, as we celebrate our Charter Day, we reaffirm our commitment to one vision, a vision of academic excellence rooted in service as a university for humanity for sustainable societies. We uphold one mission to nurture professionals who lead with integrity and compassion. And we stand united as one BU, a community that honors its past while boldly embracing the future. The founding fathers of Bicol University planted the seeds of a dream, but it is the past presidents and administrators who ensured that the seeds of that dream were nurtured and continuously nourished to become the Bicol University that we know today. As we honor the founding fathers with the flowers and laying of wreath as a token of our fond remembrances and gratitude, we too honor the past presidents with fond remembrances and deep gratitude so that every generation of BUenos will continue to protect and appreciate our history as an academic community, bestowing the legacy as keepers of the institutional memory. To our beloved students, you are the living legacy of this institution. To our faculty and staff, your dedication fuels our mission. And to our alumni and partners, your continued support strengthens our foundation. We are building on the strength of the past to nurture the present and continuously create the future, driven for humanity and as stewards of humanity, which is the best way to honor and express communal gratitude. Finally, let us remember that every vision is not simply a slogan. It is a dream that sets the direction and projects the milestones yet to be achieved. Let us be part of our vision. Let us be driven to achieve our dreams for Bicol University. Let us work together in one direction, strengthening our connection, guided by prayers and the wisdom of the past to continue shaping and sustaining a brilliant future for our Bicol University. Let us move forward with pride in our history and with hope prayers in our hearts. Together, we will continue to light the way for generations to come. Mabuhay ang Bicol University! Padagos lang po tayo, mga kapwa ko BUenos. Diyos ang magbalo sa gabos.